Hello everyone, welcome back to Talk with Hands where we learn to sign together. So in today's lesson, we're going to learn colors. Colors. So have your fingers put on your chin and you wiggle it. Colors. Rainbow. Have your fingers in four like this, flip it, the back of the hand facing forward, and you take it from here and you move it out, kind of like showing the rainbow, right? Rainbow. Red. Red. So take your index finger, you put it in your chin, and you do this. Red. For my Cameroon viewers, we sign red with an R, and we put on the chin, and we do this. Red. So this is how we sign red in Cameroon. Red. Orange. Orange. You have your hand squeezing it like this in front of your mouth. You can also put it like at the bottom of your chin like this, orange, or you put it close to your mouth like this, orange, or like this, orange. Orange is the same sign as the fruit orange. Yellow. Yellow. So you have your hand in a Y sign like this and you flick it like this. Yellow. Green. Green. So you have your finger in the G sign like this and you shake it like this. Like this. Back and forth, back and forth. Green. Blue. Blue. You have the B sign and you do back and forth like this. Blue. Purple. Purple. So P, right? And you flick it like this, back and forth, back and forth. Purple. Black. Black. Have your finger, index finger, put it on your forehead and you pull it across from one end to the other end. Black. This is different from summer, right? For summer, you do this and you curl your finger and you end it like this. Hope you see the difference. So this is black. White. White. Have your fingers like this, curved like this, put it on your chest and you pull it out like you're pulling your shirt. White. This white is different from a white person. So for a white person, you do this, white. So it's like you're pulling it out and you open it up like to the face, right? White. White. Do you see this? White. Or white. White. So from the chest, right? Having your fingers closed like this from the chest. And as you bring it up to your face, you have it open like this, white. But for this one, we're doing white. Gray. Gray. Have your hands open like this, put it inside each other and you're pulling it back and forth, back and forth. Gray. Brown. Brown. Have your hand in the B sign, put it on the side of your head and you pull it down. Brown. Someone mentioned in the comment, which I think is smart, that you can use the thought of your skin is brown and you're just having it close to your skin, right? Brown. Pink. Pink. So form the peace sign like this. Take the middle finger, touching the chin like this. Pink. Twice. Pink. Gold. Gold. Have your hand on the side of your face, right? Some people have it close to the ear, some people have it upper to the forehead. Just have it around here. That is fine. So you have your hand here and you end up with a Y like this, right? And the Y, some people shake it, some people just end with the Y. I like to shake it. Gold. So people for gold use their middle finger and from the side of the face, they just do this. Gold. Gold. Silver. Silver. This time you do the same thing, having your index finger on the side of your face here and you end up with the S, right? You can shake it or you can just end with an S. Silver. So now we're going to learn some words to help describe a specific color, like lights. Lights. Have your middle finger like this and you pull it out, flicking it like this. Lights. Like this. Light. You see this? Light. Light blue. Dark. Dark. Have your hands open like this and you bring it down like this. From up, you bring it down across each other like this. Dark. Dark. Bright. Bright. Have your hands closed like this and you move it out, opening your finger like this. Bright. Bright pink. Shiny. Shiny. Have your middle finger, put it inward and you take it out, shaking it, kind of like showing the glow. Shiny. So now let's try some sentences using the colors we just learned. I like red, or red I like. My favorite color is blue. He has a yellow car. The shoe is shiny black. My dress is light purple. So now